I start out with just doing an inventory and a review of what's in place. And then secondly, is it still relevant? Is it practical? Take a look at that. You also want to look at what's required and what's not. Mm-hmm. You have to be as stringent as the government requires, and you can kind of go over that a bit, but you don't want to commit to too many things that really you can't accomplish on the ground, right? And you don't have the workforce to accomplish. So you want to stick with what's actually required by law first, and anything else that you can fit in to make your organization better, more safe, then you can add those pieces if you can manage it. Yeah. Whatever changes you make to your system, once you get through that, which can be a fairly large task, get through that. It's communicating those changes to the field, communicating to operations in the field, what's changed, where are these documents located, where are these commitments located. Out in the field, they have work instructions. Work instructions are another control document. Yeah. When that piece of equipment goes away, that work instruction goes away. When a new piece of equipment or a facility gets added, and then you have more work instructions. These are also control documents. So the management system can go pretty deep. So it is a lot. It sounds like a lot, but it's really doing a comprehensive review of what's in place, what's changed, making those changes to your system, communicating that, and implementing it. And then going forward, doing check-ins. If you have to do one in 6 months for the first one to make sure that, okay, this is fit for purpose, it's achievable, doing some tweaks, and then coming back in another 6 months, everything's good, and you just kind of keep that going.